Welcome back. Now we're going to create a contact page. As usual, this walkthrough 2 is tied to exercise 2, and the instructions for this exercise will be below our video. So if we look at our final website, what we're leading up to build, we have our contact page. And as you see, there's a lot of similarities between our home page and our contact page. And so this is what we're going to be building right now. So as usual, we're going to open our inclusion folder. Then we have our personal website folder within our inclusion folder. We're then going to open brackets. And we're going to drag our inclusion folder within brackets. And then we have our personal website right here. Now the first thing that we're going to do is a little bit of refactoring. We're going to open our style.css, and we're going to notice wherever there's repetition. So right now there's repetition in a link and a visited. You see they share the same rules. We can easily fix that problem by adding a little comma and then put an a visited up here. And now they share these rules, and delete this. So we're following the don't repeat ourselves principle, or dry, don't repeat yourself. The next step is we're going to create a new file, a new HTML file, and we're going to call it contact.html. So you want to right click right here in brackets, click new file. We're going to call it contact.html. We want to make sure this is in our personal website folder. So let's double check that again. Notice sometimes it can be tricky and be outside of your personal website folder. So make sure it's dragged in. If you want to double check, make sure you can drag this back in to brackets. So now that we have our contact.html, let's double click and see what happens to open it. And we'll notice there's nothing right now in this file at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy everything. We're going to refactor the code in our index.html. You can right click copy or command C, control C. We're going to paste that in. We can right click and hit paste or command V. And now we have the same code. But we don't want the same code. So let's look at our website. Let's preview it live. Notice if I go to contact now, it's showing me the same exact code. We don't want that. So the first thing we're going to change is the title tag. We want to know that we're actually on our contact page. So we're going to go here. Make sure you're working in contact.html. And we're going to write contact your first name, whatever your first name is. My first name is Saeed. So contact Saeed. Refresh, look at that automatically. It changed. So now I know which page I'm on. It's my home page. That's my contact page. Now it still looks similar. We want to change a few things. The next thing we're going to change is we're on our contact page, but it still says we're on our home page. We want to move this class of active from home to contact now. And look at that. Now it shows us we are on our contact page. Great job so far. Now notice something here. In our final website, there are certain things that we keep, such as our picture, this H2 tag, and these paragraphs. We don't keep the video section. So what we're going to do is we're going to just delete the video section right here. So select that entire section with the ID of video and hit delete. The next thing I'm going to do is we're going to change from about me to contact me. I'm going to keep the selfie. I'm going to delete these paragraphs and write a quick paragraph on why people should contact me. Maybe you're available for hire, Maybe you'd like to be communicated in a certain way. In this case, I would like to be communicated through a form that will be created in our next lesson, or our next exercise. And now let's preview our website. Let's hit contact. And look at that. We are very close to finishing up our contact page. The only thing we're missing is this form, which we'll be looking at next. So great job so far. Again, if you need any help, you can ask us in Slack or email us.